Until now, the payment schedule received notification was auto-generated and non-editable, creating friction for teams wanting to add a personalized touch. However, with this improvement, you can easily maintain brand voice and professional formatting. Let's check how it works. Now you can manage your use templates and create emails and SMS that fit your brand's voice and connect with customers. Personalize your messages using dynamic fields related to payment schedules to improve your information relay with customers. Optimize your outbox by toggling notifications off when not needed, giving you control over the messaging, formatting, and whether or not to send them at all. This update helps you control when and what is sent to your customers. Let's learn how to use it. Head to the Invoices and Estimates tab inside the Payments section and click the Settings option. Open the Notifications option and select Customer Notifications. Locate the payment schedule receive notification and toggle it on or off as needed. Click Manage beside the email or SMS template to edit or customize the message. This will improve your communication with customers and add a branded element to all messages. We hope you enjoy the complete flexibility over the messaging, formatting, and decision to send a notification.